Hello everyone, today in this video I am sharing about Teams meeting policies, messaging policies and how to assign policies in bulk for different users. Now let's have a look. Here you can see Microsoft 365 Admin Center already logged in, and I have many users here. From here I will select few users. These are the demo users I have created, and I will change contact information here. From here I will change department to, let's change this to demo and save changes. Now it's done. Here you can see students or users in demo department. Now I will use students from demo department and assign policy. Similarly you can do for other users by naming different departments too. Now let's move to Teams Admin Center, admin.teams.microsoft.com. I have already logged in here, and here I will create a new policy with name demo in meeting policies demo, and let me turn off meet now in channels, Outlook add-ins, it's okay, and private meetings also off, channel meeting scheduling also off, and things seems to be okay. Now let's save this. Now we can see demo policy here. Let's create another policy inside messaging policies too. Here also let's add demo and delete send message on chat. Let's turn off chat and GIFY. Now save this. Here you can see demo policy inside messaging policy 2. Now let's move to PowerShell. From search bar we can type POWER PowerShell and run as administrator. Here you can use your credentials first. $credential is equals to get credential, and hit enter. Now you need to log in to your 365 account. It's done. Now let's have CS online session. We can connect to Teams using Skype session too. Therefore, we can use command $Skype session is equals to new CS online online session dash credential dollar credential. And now let's hit enter. This is also done. Now let's import PS session. Now import dash PS session and Skype session. Skype session, hit enter. This will use same login credential we have already provided and connect to Skype session. Getting command, getting formatting and output information from remote session. It's in process. Now we are connected. Previously we have created demo policy for demo users inside demo department. That means we can first import all the users. Therefore we will first get online user and filter department to demo and grant meeting policy as well as messaging policy for these users. Let's do here get CS online user and filter department. We need to filter department first. DEPARTMENT department equivalent to demo. Let's close this bracket. And what to do? Grant CS Teams meeting policy. Teams meeting policy. Teams meeting policy. First, let's go through meeting policy and we need to specify policy name. Policy name equals to demo, which we have already created. And now let's hit enter. Now let's check the users with policy name demo meeting policy if it's done or not. Let's run a command get cs online user and dash filter and in filter teams meeting policy equivalent to demo select user principal name. Now we are getting online user with Teams meeting policy demo and their principal name. That's it. Enter and check if we are correct or not. Here you can see user principal name strand 1 2 3 4 5 6 and demo. These users are assigned with policy demo meeting policy. Similarly, we can assign messaging policy to. Let's do this. Let's copy same script from previous one and modify this meeting to messaging messaging policy, and we are assigning demo messaging policy to all the users in demo department. That's it. Enter. It's in process. Let's copy this script too so that we can check either that is done or not. It's taking time. It's done. Now let's check. Here in filter, let's use Teams messaging messaging policy. Teams messaging policy equivalent to demo. Here you can see strands from demo department are assigned with policy demo both in messaging and meeting policy. Similarly, you can assign calling policy and other policies from PowerShell. Similarly, you can assign different policies to users by their department. Don't forget to hit subscribe button if you haven't done it, and click the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thank you.